Understanding the phrase, screwing the pooch, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a unique and somewhat controversial idiomatic expression, screwing the pooch. This phrase can be puzzling, especially for learners of English, due to its unusual imagery and colloquial use. Our goal is to demystify it, explain its meaning, origin, and how to use it correctly in conversation. So, let's get started. Screwing the pooch is an idiomatic expression that means to make a serious mistake or to mess something up badly. It's important to note that this phrase is quite informal and can be considered vulgar by some people. Therefore, it should be used carefully and in appropriate contexts, mostly in informal settings among friends or in popular media. The phrase, screwing the pooch, has its origins in American military slang from the mid-20th century. It is believed to have been a euphemism for an even more vulgar phrase. Over time, it became part of the broader American vernacular, used to describe a significant error or failure without directly referring to its more offensive predecessor. Understanding how to use this phrase correctly can help English language learners grasp its nuances and avoid potential misunderstandings. Here are a few examples. In a personal anecdote, I really screwed the pooch on that project at work. I missed the deadline and upset the client. In popular culture references, the movie's director admitted he screwed the pooch with the film's ending, promising a better sequel. In informal discussions, he had a chance to win the game, but he screwed the pooch by missing an easy shot. While knowing idiomatic expressions like screwing the pooch can enrich your understanding of English, it's crucial to use them wisely. Remember, this phrase is informal and might be offensive to some audiences. It's best used among friends or in contexts where informal and colloquial language is acceptable. Always consider the setting and the company you're in before using idiomatic expressions. We hope this video has clarified the meaning, origin, and use of the phrase, screwing the pooch, for you. Idioms like this are what make learning English interesting, challenging, and fun. They give color to the language and offer insights into the culture and history of its speakers. Remember to practice using new phrases in context and to always be mindful of your audience. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.